All right, so laundry secret number 1. This is borax. If your mom didn't tell you about it, shame on her. This is sodium borate. It's a natural mineral that kills mold and bacteria. It deodorizes, it's an alternative to bleach, it removes stains, and it boosts the cleaning power of soap. Borax is wonderful. You can get this for under $5 for 4 pounds. So please add this to your home. It will help you. If you want to remove a tough stain, add 1 cup of borax with 1/4 cup lemon juice, all natural ingredients. Make that into a paste. Use a rag, a mildly damp rag, to put that onto your stain, let it sit for a little while, and rinse with warm water. So you can use this so many ways. It's really helpful to have around the house. I put a little bit at the bottom of every load of laundry that we do, because I know it will clean my laundry that much better, and I'll be able to use less soap. So borax is amazing. One thing you can use it for, which thankfully I haven't had to do, is cockroaches. You can actually mix borax with brown sugar and put that in the corners of areas with cockroaches, under appliances, and they'll actually take that back to their nest and kill the whole shebang. So hopefully you don't need that tip, but if you do, that's just another thing this is good for. It has so many uses. If you are going to use that cockroach tip though, please be aware, might not be a good idea with young children or pets in the house, because it is toxic. So be careful and know what you're doing. So we put some in the laundry already. It's just gonna boost the power of that laundry soap. Again, on our tips from Trish, we talk about laundry soap, and I'm actually gonna use Dr. Bronner's, but let me get my towels that need to be washed in here. Now, one important thing, if you're trying to minimize your carbon footprint and use less resources, whether it be for your wallet or whether it be for the planet, you're gonna wanna fill your load of laundry as much as you can. You don't wanna waste that soap and that water and that energy that you're using from your home, okay? So once I've put in some dirty things that need to be washed, I can add 1/3 of a cup to 1/2 of a cup of Dr. Bronner's. I'm just estimating. Although I usually keep this pre-mixed in old bottles. I really recommend that. Now my load isn't quite full, so I'm gonna go grab something else. I don't wanna waste this soap. So, all right, that is looking much fuller, so I feel good about that. I usually am particular about what I wash together, but I'm trying to just focus more on getting things clean and using as little resources as possible. So get you some borax, use your Dr. Bronner's, and get your laundry started. My laundry's done being washed. This is a side note, it's not one of my 3 major laundry tips, but in case you didn't know, garment bags are wonderful for preserving the life of your more delicate laundry items. So this isn't gonna make a huge difference in your life. It's not something that you can use 5 different ways, but it is a laundry hack I wanted to share with you. So really easily, you put your delicates in, you wash them in this bag, you can dry them in this bag if you're using the dryer, or just hang them out on the line. All right, let me get these towels out and we'll figure out how we're gonna dry them today. In the winter time, I actually use my dryer, but in the summertime, we're gonna use the line dry. Now, if I was using the dryer, I would definitely use my dryer balls. So these are 100% natural sheep wool. We buy them at Trader Joe's. Online, they may look expensive. Please don't buy them there. They're like $6 for 4 wool dryer balls at Trader Joe's. You put these in the dryer. You can even get fancy with a little bit of essential oil. So add drops of essential oil to your dryer balls. So they're gonna actually fluff your clothes. They're gonna remove the electricity, so there's less static. And now with essential oil, they'll also make your clothes smell good. So invest in some dryer balls, super affordable, super effective. You don't need to use dryer sheets ever again. So That is tip number 2 for your laundry. Go get some wool dryer balls. All right, so since it is summertime, the sun is shining, the temperature is heating up a little bit, I'm not gonna use my dryer balls today. I'm actually gonna go put my clothes on in the backyard on a line. So that is laundry tip number 3, is use a dryer line. We're gonna go put it up out there. It's gonna save heat damage to my clothes, so my clothes will last longer, and the sun just makes things fresh, saves us electricity, and saves resources all around. Plus, it's good for you to get outside and be barefoot in the lawn. So take advantage of that opportunity for grounding if you have a place for this. Let's go take a look at my line dry setup for my clothes at home, and you can start to consider how to incorporate a dryer line into your yard. $4, Home Depot, Ace Hardware, get yourself a dryer line today. I'm gonna go ahead and hang these clothes to dry on my nifty line, okay? So I have 3 lines set up near each other, but spaced enough for room for my clothing and my towels and my blankets and whatever else needs to be dried. So if you get a line like this, please consider creative ways that may work for your home surroundings where you can hang them up. There may be poles, it may be the side of the garage. You can come up with so many different things. If you have a piece of wood, you can screw a hook into it to be one of the ends of the line. So get creative on how to put a line up. These lines are really cheap and affordable, and so are the clothespins. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang my clothes, and my stuff will be dry and ready to use again, all clean and desanitized. I'm gonna finish getting these clothes up. I hope you enjoyed these tips from Trish. Come check me out next time. Please like, subscribe, and share. Oh, okay. Thanks for watching this episode of Tips from Trish. I hope these laundry tips help you in your home to make things more natural, more easy, more simple, and just more happy all around. Catch me on Cook, Garden, and Life next time. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Mwah. Peace.